What's going on, beautiful people? Russell Climbus here, and today we're going to be talking about using black fiber optic brushes that look like this, and in the dark they look like this. Look how fun this is. It's so fun, right? I like it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so before we get started with this stuff, you can buy these black fiber optic brushes from lightpaintingbrushes.com. Pretty rad. You want to make sure you use one of the universal connectors with it. It lets you use lots of different flashlights. And it's really hard to do, like, try to hold on. It's just, it ain't gonna work if you don't use one of these. Not as well, okay? So, I got first excited about this stuff. Crap, how do I say her name? I need to listen to it because she sent me the thing. One moment. Okay, so I got it. I was inspired to do this stuff by Maria Sajede. I don't know if I said it right, but it's close. She sent me a voice thing to help me try to say it right because I want to be, names are important. Okay, so let's go in the studio and do it. Okay, here we go. Hello, people. This is Stacy.
Hi.
She's helping me out today with the fiber optics. So here we go. And I just shook it like this to make some of the background. And then I just did tracing it down like this across Stacy, just letting it kind of flow and being super awkward about it, but it's fine. And then you just end the exposure, and that's it. Pretty easy. Okay, so that was one version of how to use these thingies. One way. The other way, well, it's still a similar way, but it's not the same, is that, like, if you want to change color, instead of using a color change flashlight, what you do is you get some gels and you cut out these little squares. Just little bitty squares. I have no idea what that looks like, but it's a little bit. Like, it's like 1/4 of an inch. But real small. It's like, because you got to put them on this thing, like right in here. So basically, you got to, like, I just put this thing on, and then I just drop the gels in there. Then I just take a flashlight and kind of just stuff it. And then we get some different colors. So there's some blue, it's mostly yellow and white. It takes a little bit of finagling to get the right colors, but you get the idea. So we're gonna move on to the next part with the colors, okay? Okay, here we go. Down like this, colors, around, I kind of went here, and then it went up, and then I just lit Stacy's face with the fiber optics. And went out, and then that was the end of the picture. And that's it. Those are some tips and tricks on how to use these bad boys. They're really fun in the dark, and I just want to play with this like a galaxy when it's dark. But yeah, so that's it. Those are the tips. The tips! So if you like the video, do the like stuff, subscribe, that's sweet. Not gonna tell you live your life. And notification bell, whatever, dude. You do you, okay? And I'll see your beautiful faces in the next video. Cool? Hold on. And then I go,